Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm here with a quick card share. I am sharing some cards that I made for a couple of challenges. They are challenges for companies, and so I enjoy doing a couple of challenges a month. So the first one is for the CC Designs, and CC Designs, their challenge for this month is to use teal and red. So for my card, I used my circus stamp set and my die that I got for $1. And I think this was also on clearance as well. I want to say it was $1 as well. And these are these triangle dies from CC Designs. And I also used my Circus Party paper pad from Cartabella. And this is the card that I made. So I just used my Copics to color in my cute little elephant and the little thing that's standing on. And then I die cut it out and put my elephant popped up, like standing on it right there. And then I use that triangle die. I just think it's kind of whimsical, I guess. And then I did some faux stitching around it, and then I did some enamel dots. And I think that's really cute. That's how that one came out. And then for the paper smooches, their theme or their challenge is to make a birthday card. So I used the Baby Birds stamp set. I love the stamp sets. And I used the birthday sampler. I used the cactus die, and I used the Summer Party 6x6 Echo Park for my card. And these are the cards that I made. So first for the cactus card, I use this floral, and this is all just paper piece. It's paper from that Echo Park collection. And then the Wish Big is for the birthday sampler stamp set, and I stamped that in, I believe it's called I think it's Guava from Lawn Fawn. So I just stamped that, and I think it's really cute, actually. I really like that, really cute. So I made that one. And then I did spray, you can see it a little bit in the light. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I used my Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in Sparkle, which I also used on this one. So it's still drying. This one I think got a little more sprayed. And this is Happy Birthday. I used my Copics to color that in. And this was pretty easy. So I just used my Misty to stamp my birds and my hearts and my sentiment. And then I colored that in with my Copics and cut it out using my favorite cat scrappiness dies, and then labeled it all together. And because, my paper was so pink, then I used sort of that mint and teal to be my little pop of color, as well as using the enamel dots there in that turquoisey color. And so those are my projects. I've just been really, really busy with baseball that I haven't had, as much time to come on and to craft. Plus, I'm also working on my collab. So that's taking some time. So anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my cards. This is Cindy Crane at the Heart.